Problem 5. It says HF is 6 and FI is also 6. JF, J to F, is 8. So what is this unknown? We're going to put X. We don't know what G to F is. This is the easiest of all the rules. When you're crossing on the inside, it's basically this length times this length equals this length times this length. It's based off of the idea that we have similar triangles and we can set up proportions. But it's just easy when we see this. It's very obvious, easy to know. It's 6 times that length, so 6 times that X is equal to this 6 times that length, 8. Obviously X is 8 here, but if you didn't see it, 6X is 48. Divide by 6, X is 8. 6 times 8 equals 6 times 8. That's how I knew X was going to be 8. So X in this case is 8. So G to F is a length of 8 units.